I got the 450 completely torn apart. I blew the crank out a couple years ago. This thing has not been running since 2017, properly running. And I just split the case. The crank blew out of it, but it'll be here next week. I got just a little bit of some metal shavings in there. Yeah, it was definitely time for a rebuild. This is the original bumper on the quad. And while I'm waiting for my crankshaft to come in, I decided to make a new one. I like it. I just got a box of goodies. My crank's in. I got the transmission taken out of this. Taken out of the other side. This thing is freaking awesome. Yeah, it's fun to get back in, but I'm gonna start pressing bearings and get this freaking thing put back together over the top end. New crank's in. This side's put together. And I need a new push rod for my clutch. This one's just a little bit bent. So I gotta take this back apart, put that in there, the starter. I'm running out of parts, so I gotta get a new cylinder. Cause that one's cracked right there. Oh yeah. Order a cylinder, piston, ring, wrist pin. I'll be good to go. Another couple weeks. So I honestly don't remember where I left off with the quad videos, but it's been about a month. I got the new piston and rings, the crankshaft, the new jug installed, the head's on, but I have to go up and look up the specs for the head bolts, and then I will put the camshafts in, and then check the valve head spacing and see if I have to reshim the valves to get those to line up. The only thing I have to buy left is antifreeze. Everything else is here, and this will get put back together here probably this week. Hopefully I can have it running. So I broke a bolt for the clutch springs. So I had to pull the clutch back out, the clutch basket. Luckily, I was able to pull the broken bolt out of the basket. But I got the motor in the quad. Everything's tightened up. Still got to hook up the fuel line. Put oil in it. Buy coolant. And a bolt for the clutch. So I gotta take the clutch cover back off and get the clutch figured out, but everything else is good to go. I got a couple plastics I gotta put on the seat, but it should fire. I did the timing right. The valves were shimmed, they were in spec. One more good day working at it. I'll get the 3 heat cycles in it and it'll be done. So the last thing I gotta do is put the bottom skid plate on. I did 1 heat cycle already, and it's almost back down to room temperature. So I'm gonna do another heat cycle on it. Come on, choke.